Yes, dear students, question number first and second I have explained, and now it is the turn of question number third. Let A 1 minus 3 and B minus 3 9 are 2 points. ये बेटा इसका डायग्राम भी आप देख लीजिए. ये A है, ये B है, ये 1, ये -3 और ये -3 और 9 है. ये बेटे -3 and 9 and prove that origin 0 divides the line joining the points in 1:3. बेटा ये 1:3 के रेशियो में इसको 1 और 3 है, तो इस पॉइंट को अपन P कह देंगे. ये x y मान लीजिए आप बेटे. तो लेट A 1 minus 3 and B minus 3 9 are 2 points, and point P x y divides AB in 1:3 internally. बेटे 2 points, one is A and other second is B. Divide by P in 1:3. Therefore, M1 equal to 1 and M2 equal to 2. Therefore, by formula x equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2 equal to M1, it is 1 and x2 minus 3 plus M2 3 and x1 1 upon M1 plus M2 1 plus 3 equal to minus 3 plus 3 upon 4 equal to 0. And now y equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2 equal to M1 1 into y2 9 plus M2 3 into M y1 minus 3 upon 1 plus 3 equal to 9 minus 9 upon 4 equal to 0. Therefore, coordinates of point P are is 0 0. इसका बेटे कोऑर्डिनेट 0 0 है. Then it is proved. Now the second condition in this is also find the coordinates of the point which divides the line externally. We have to find out also find the coordinates of the point which divides the line externally. एक्सटर्नली बेटे डिवाइड करने के लिए और अपने को इसके कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड आउट करने हैं पी के. तो लेट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर एक्स एंड वाई. नाउ formula for external division equal to division is x equal to m1 x2 minus m2 x1 upon m1 minus m2, and we know that m1 equal to 3 and m1 equal to 1 and m2 equal to 3, then m1 1 into x2 minus 3 minus m2 3 into x1 minus 3 upon m1 minus m2 1 minus 3. फिर से देखिए बेटे, ये 2 है, m1 x2, तो m1 1 x2 minus 3 minus m2 3 x1 minus 3 upon 1 minus 3 equal to minus 3 plus 9 upon minus 2 equal to 6 upon minus 2 equal to minus 3, and like the same we will find out the y coordinate also. Y equal to m1 y2 minus m2 y1 upon m1 minus m2. Y equal to m1 y2, m1 1 y2 equal to 9 minus m2 3 y1 minus 3 upon 1 minus 3 equal to 9 plus 9 upon minus 2 equal to minus 9. Therefore, the external point is equal to minus 3 minus 9. That's all. And now about the next question. Question number 4. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining two points. First of all, I am going to tell you the coordinates of midpoints formula. What is the formula of midpoints and how we prove it? Yes, bete. These are 2 points A and B. Coordinate of A is x1, y1, and coordinate of B is x2, y2. Now, if this is midpoint P and coordinate is xy of P, then if this is the midpoint, then the ratio is 1:1. Or we can say that m1 and m2 are both 1:1. Why? Because this is the midpoint, that is why. Now, if this is midpoint, then by formula of division, of internal division, x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Now we know that m1 and m2 both are equal to 1. That is why 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 upon 1 plus 1. This means x2 plus x1 upon 2 This is the x coordinate. Now y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 upon 1 plus 1 equal to y2 plus y1 upon 2. This means y1 plus y2 upon 2. Therefore, formula of coordinates of midpoint. Coordinates of midpoint equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2. Then we have to apply this formula for midpoint of any line segment. And now I am applying in given question number 4, how to find the midpoint of any line segment. And you have to see now question number 4, how to apply this formula. Yes, question number 4. 2 points A 22, 20 and B 0, 16 are given. Therefore, midpoint of AB equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2 by formula equal to 22 plus 0 upon 2, 20 plus 16 upon 2 equal to 11 and 18. This is the midpoint of given 2 points. You can draw a line segment also to understand how this is the midpoint. Then let this is A 22 and 20 and B 0 and 16 and this is the midpoint. That is why it will be 11 and 18. We have find out this is P. And you have to apply this formula for midpoint, dear students. Find the ratio with joining the points. Let the 2 points A 5, 3 and B minus 3 minus 2 are given a point on x-axis divides AB a point on x-axis divides AB is P. Let a point on x-axis divides AB is P and coordinates of P equal to x0, because on x-axis y coordinate will be 0, that is why it is 0. And now by internal division formula, we have given x1, x2, y1, y2 and p x0. Then we have to find out the ratio. Suppose the ratio is lambda ratio 1. First we have to imagine, or we have to take let the point P divides AB in lambda ratio 1. Therefore, by formula y equal to, why I have taken y coordinate? Because x coordinate is not given, but y coordinate is given. If y coordinate is given, then we have only ratios which is unknown. That is why we take 0 and y coordinate first, not x coordinate, because x coordinate is unknown. That is why we can't take it, and y is given 0, then we can find out the value of lambda. That is why m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Why I have taken y coordinate instead of x and not taken x? Bete, this is, that is why, because y is given 0, the value is given, but it is in none. That is why I have taken y coordinate, and I put here 0. That is why I taken. Now m1 lambda y2 minus 3 plus m2 1 and y1 minus 2 upon lambda plus 1. 0 equal to minus 3 lambda minus 2 upon lambda plus 1. Multiplying both sides by lambda plus 1, we have 0 equal to minus 3 lambda minus 2, or lambda equal to 2 upon 3 माइनस. बेटे एक बार आप फिर देखिए इसको. लेट द पॉइंट्स 5, 3 and minus 3 minus 2 are given, and a point on x axis divides AB is P. जो बेटे डिवाइड कर रहा है वो P है, एंड कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ P इक्वल टू x0, क्योंकि ये P कोऑर्डिनेट x एक्सिस पर लाई करता है. लेट द पॉइंट P डिवाइड्स AB इन लैम्डा रेशियो 1. तो लैम्डा रेशियो 1 में ये डिवाइड कर रहा है, y अपने को पता है, तो y इक्वल टू m1 y2 प्लस m2 y1 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2. तो m1 अपने पास लैम्डा y2 बेटे माइनस 2 है, y2 प्लस 1 और इंटू y1, ये गलत लिख दिया, y1 दिस इज 3. I have written wrong, which I have corrected. Now it is correct, and this is lambda plus 1. And instead of y we put 0 equal to, we have to change this, minus 2 lambda plus 3 upon lambda plus 1, and by multiplying both sides lambda plus 1 we have 0 equal to minus 2 lambda plus 3, और lambda equal to 3 upon 2. बेटे ये इधर आएगा, पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, और अपॉन में 2, तो ये 3 upon 2 है. Therefore the required ratio equal to lambda ratio 1 equal to 3 by 2 ratio 1, and multiplying both sides by 2, 3 ratio 2. This point P divides in ratio 3 ratio 2. That's all. Thank you very much.